Shalom, shalom, shalom. Akim Abdullah Malawan from GMS Suriname, coming back with another quick lesson. Before I start this lesson, I want to give all praises and honors to Yahweh Bahashim, Yahweh Shai Bahashim, Arkakudah Shalom. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Men that are worthy of the double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom, shalom. As you will see by the title of this video, this devil knows that he has a short time, man, and you will make good use of it. You'll make good use of it. And in that short time, many prophecies will come to pass as it is written, and it will be a very dark time upon this planet, man. It will be a very dark time because he is the one that is in the ruler's seat right now. And he will use that power to make the Israelites suffer during Jacob's trouble, you know. But as we know, in the end, the Lord will take him out of that power seat, you know. But I'm gonna go into the scriptures and read a little bit about it. And also, Jupiter Suriname language and my people hear me, understand me. So, Shalom, Shalom, Baraka, Sami, Malawan for Jim and Suriname. And like Fibere net, Esau, a devil according to a Bible. Isabi to. Ano hume ka naman a devil. Focus a scripture naman a devil. Isabi to. En je siya naman dito. Inisot fasi fama fin power in geschiedenis. Na so sneaky fasi. Isabi to. No righteous fasi naman of in power. Isabi to. Takama everything of this of that. Isabi to. Fama buying. Isa na dati. No. Isabi to. Furu. Verkracht. Disot sandat. Blackmail. Kirisma. Nasa so wa may fan power. Isabi to. En tama iko. Te istak ni Edward Maiko. Na so furu na nga kiri. Kom te conscription dan. Kom te conscription dan. Ko. Tade in John. If me abe bong. Ko. John Tintin. John 10 verse 10. God. Book of John chapter 10 verse 10. The thief cometh not but to steal and to kill and to destroy. I am come that they might have life and they might have it more abundantly. En usap tak a thief amoro bigi furma na dewet ma. Alasan sa de maabi de ma fur. Alasan sa de maabi. Alasan sa meaningful sa de maabi to de ma take watras ma. Isabi ta air kondre insa de ma itang de ma furu. De ma na letter a definition for a thief. En ano kung de ma fureng de ma teken na nga violence. Hier om een miljoen Israelite. So fure teki. Isabi to. Dus de man a thief according to the scriptures. Isabito. En Yahweh in a deliverer. Isabito sa ako pur uno eta anu fa forma. Isabito fosa ako take baka sa naf eng. Isabito na nga father. Isabito. Maya. Matara scriptures ang bima teki bede disi. Isabito Revelation chapter 12 verse 12. Man. Believe me de masabi. Iri ka na de malan na like detra. Law ida might say wakastrati ho. De man di sabi. De masabta kayo regba. De trabajo lu ku fanta like na for outed aguro tapo dra so mane mai sabi. Boto atra like Book of Revelation chapter 12 verse 12. Therefore rejoice ye heavens and ye that dwell in them. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea. For the devil is come down unto you having great wrath, because he knoweth that he had but a short time. Listen na NLT Alastapiece. For the devil has come down to you in great anger, knowing that he has little time. Demasabi, demasaptak ayuru ekpa. Isabi to, ayuru odoro pe wapaldo brotor bikis power, ayuru odoro pe miracle ko, ayuru odoro pe Yahweh shayo ko. Isabi to, ede mo ka nga great word. Fador sa kaya ayuru ekpa, ede mo bigi hasti. Ede mo si fatak sanewa ka fade mawani. Ede mo bigi dua nga geweld. Ede mo ulo ko fanag boy ulo. Ko wakti wala tindoy san policy fuso o bigi tap de profit mo fer sa ikilem so bi kira la de profit. Great word demo kono tapu. Isabito. At fos makang wet. Amos asamos gang ama asamos sa air system. Omes vamos approve dan cabinet leader dan dit dan assembly lentet nga dat Supreme Court walas mamustikan. Tanga na mo lukon na fos alas matikan to. Bigikira la demang. No Cory. Kung bigi set up mga Black Swan event, isabi to. Have the track on dire kabalo like excuse fuma po sa microchip. Isabi to nga fast no de. It di ma sani. Make walo counterfeit passport na nga ID card like na sa microchip. Nga man counterfeit moro. Isabi to. Proseme do apros ng hukuma. Di makakakreer wala sot sani. Create one false flag that I isabi to. Put one to agent amongst the brother. Isabi to. Agent the bigi make like the opolek de. Among sa bebe pire mo for na ISUPK last. The bigi bar for the kaya. We are a cult. We hate white people. That is all she agent behavior. Isabi to. Kanin mo fin look buwan man na agent. Isabi to. Na yuru doro fa mambiki takwalo sot san. Fublaka de brother fesi. Isabi to. So de arachere ka springa en. Isabito fuka ko fadak ni manit kanit. Isabito. Ala de sana te play one role. Ala de sana te play one role. Isabito. Manamori wan sete at the end of the day. What are you edor uno sila musu ya. Un guevyo no matanya morola. It's book of Job chapter 14 verse 5. Seeing his days are determined and the number of his months are with thee. Thou hast appointed his bounds that he cannot pass. Ishito. Dus Amoria put one timer tap iso. Umat makalagta sa one timer. Kaman na maksa timers lang ayun tatlo dari blam. Direct kaya hari yang puro fatro. Sabi to. And they must have attack in the last second de. Dus dem hasti. Dem hasti. Alasan sa de ba di dem set beno a korte periodo anas inoma set temoro. Dem sabi. Isabi to. Dem sabi. Isabi to. Kulisan ya. Kumlisan ya. Kada uri ka matak la. Melisan. Job chapter 14 verse 5. Book of Job chapter 14 verse 5. Seeing his days are determined. Kung listen NLT. In the NLT, you have decided the length of our lives. You know how many months we will live. And we are not given a minute longer. Yes, ito. Ang wala sa Paris o lang Amerika o libin ng ala the people that are. Isa pito, one day inakas masaog mo to Amerika na ilan. Sa ubi mo pin the chariot. The rest class mo get destroyed. And mo rin sa Paris o lang the rest o libin. Fos ayurudoro tag them get destroyed. Asabi. Isa pito. And ano ginama 1 minute longer. And the bombs follow. And them asabi. And that make them all kuangang picky at brong. Isa pito. Tap the people sa stand against them plan. Isa pito man na yung fartarak dem in model. Mulu manak boy. Ayuro no dek ba na yung kakang fartaraking sa. Isa pito. Book of Matthew chapter 24 verse 24. And except those days be shortened, they should no flesh be saved. But for the elect's sake, those days shall be shortened. In the NLT, in fact, unless the time of calamity is shortened, not a single person will survive, but it will be shortened for the sake of Yahweh's chosen ones. This omnibribio in the amoya o shatate. Isabito. What if ano shatating? Iso ikira lasma. Kota kasan lekfasan de amo kir alasma na nga alasan. No de ama de bisa may kir alasma. May poison alasan. If amo yung iso ede de barkiari. No asma de talibi. De may sutayar planet pa niya. Iso! De may sutayar planet pa niya. De may kota Mars. Of the mogo sukuf ta Mars. Isabito planet Mars. Of tapamu. De mau sukuf dueng. Isabito. If amor yung de may ite fifi barkiari. De may kir alasma de may kiri. If nuro de may poison usuna anak ba, tak ade one regular thing. Fugwa ato so herdi tapi o wala ka na. O fa, baka fifi barkiari. No, klarig ba yung dyan ato yung tahyari ida ato so ba. Isabito. Uno si derto hyari no itmoro. 30 jaar koto like 120 jaar. Isabito. Dai claro, uklari, minokori. If amorio ang gine mais ete fifi barkiari, uklari. The animal serif, bigi say fu ala the animal will get instinct direct. Bigi say they go get instinct. Isabito. De cow dem opot so fur chemicali na cow. Taka cow na ko okoto na bigi pismeti. Aforo serif tuan, luko me chemical dem apotik ba. Fo wiki aforo gesh wa sanig ba. Wa chisani strikes vocal. Dalastan baka fi barkiari. Isabito. Na dat is hoor ik maar amorio mus fu beshata ting wan if ano beshata ting an devil this but destroy alasan. Alasan na mo destroy. En abo tek ayer gron tapu abra. And put them directly under his wickedness. Is a bit like for America, they under wickedness directly. Ja intra na indirectly we feel wickedness for America. Wala na how we get my influence. Is a bit nakuha may ba-influence uno. Matag directly. No. If di mo, charo awet ko, ik ga lagi Amerika wa. Isa bito, baka dat. Da ko taksar na o implementering of san. Ma, ite vi barkiari. Na yer kono tape fado ondre. Yer kono tapo. Ino matak A, ino matak B. Tidak mana may grabe tidak kay barba. Isa bito. Just amore ang musu be siya tating what. If ating be moro lang nga, de mambe to sa de mawani no no de. Isa bito. And uno mus get delivered to. Uno no wata ta ja tele ko dede. Isa bito. Uwa moto ja. Isa bito. If that na uno lot, just that make we biggie ala di. Isa bito. Takamore ap kanada tak uno. Tak uno make a part for a deal that. Sa o get delivered moto of ja. Because this place is wicked, man. This place is wicked. Isa bito. We can't stay here much longer, you know. But I hope this lesson was edifying, you know. I hope our lesson is very edifying. Gile bribiwang, isang bitaw yung pag-uop siya sa moro. Ano ay kong kring fatak e futaya ete fi barkiari uklari. Sa iso tuwa nga uno to. Ano amaw teke tefo me ku suffer. Mau me ku firi. Tak mina devil. Mau make you firi. Di ba soro ba? Mane mau soro lalano. Tak iri kan bagat deliver. Okay, ete fi barkiari mo pure ku. Yes, ito. Maya mi upala sa disa da fayo mi upala uno kulo of nangarat mi ay kala presa krani makana moro iwan sa kado. Wera kala kani fukaro na Yahweh. Wera kala kani fu aboy fukaro na Yahweh Shai. I want to give all praises and honors to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bashem, Rakakwata, Shalamat. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Render the word, give double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom, shalom.